Hello brother, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. I'm making this video especially for you. It's actually algo, and it will automatically draw everything. Okay, you can see 82% profitable trades, and each and everything you can see 461 and trades from May 1 to August 16. Okay, and you can see. So first we have need to watch the results from last 7 days. Okay, okay, I have need to upgrade this for back testing like last 30 days. No, I cannot do is current essential and recommended premium for upgrade this count, but you can see from May 1 to August 16, that is actually 1 month and 15 days. Okay, around 82% accuracy. Let's see back testing the strategy. Let's go to the and replay the video, replay, and here we have need to play this option and go to the strategy tester and go to the, here you can see 91% accuracy. Okay, and it's performing its function, and go to the list of trades and see the results in here. You can see profit and loss, each and everything you can see here. Okay, slow internet maybe, that is the reason, but I will show you the trades, list of trades. Okay, and you have need to watch this one. Okay, okay, now your profit is changing to the loss is changing to the profit one. Here you can see. Okay, this strategy, and list 849, and let's see more trades. 850, 852, these are the trades, and wait few minutes and let's see. Okay, your loss is now changing to the profit one. Here you can see. Show you later, do not worry. Here you can see. From August 15, 16, and so on, you can see your trades and loss, but will change to the profit one. Here you can see it will automatically do everything. Just need to automate your trades. Okay, for automatic trading, you hopefully you know how to do automatic trading. It will do automatically. Okay, and you have need to see the results or performance. You can see. Okay, overview, and total 461 trades, and 82% accuracy, and each and everything you can see. Okay, you can see everything here. Okay, you can see everything here, and some trades are still in this two buy trades. Here you can see this one, two trades, and still in progress, and see. So that is the strategy, and very good, amazing strategy. It will do automatically. You do not need to do everything, do not need to do anything. Just automate the system in your TradingView chart, and it will do automatically, and that's it, I think. Any query you can ask me. Okay.